Domingo Cruz, it's not really true what you're saying. Christian Mengito, he doesn't know Mika Lim. How would you say you love Beanie anyway? Of course, teacher Miss Isabella is not fan of Beanie because she is not related to Beanie. Mark Cruz, apologize to Christian Mengito. Alright, let's continue. Let's continue my blog. For Mark Cruz anyway, I just said to you, Mika Lim doesn't know Christian Mengito. Oh, he doesn't know her. I apologize, Teacher Vincent Ramos. He doesn't know Carolina or Bisilkova that I mentioned that she is a winner of the Miss World 2021. Teacher Vincent Ramos doesn't know her. She's a Polish, or she doesn't even know her. Oh, I apologize to him that he doesn't know her. I apologize to him that I spread a lie. Oh, at least I will never spread the lie. But for Mark Domingo Cruz, do not spread a lie. Like for example, like Paulo Cruzada, who make a bomb joke. Even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, who are saying about bomb joke. They are saying ISIS. The bomb joke is not really true. It's not really true. It's not really true. And it's just imagination. It's not really true. And it's about role play. It's making lots of role play. It's not really true. But for Mark Cruz, anyway, and you're saying about you're gonna throw me in the cliff. At least I tell to Teacher Vincent Ramos and also Ate Hana, plan to kidnap Mark Cruz, drown him in a drop-off in Bataan or Bolinao. Make sure that he will be drowned. Just like I said, because you're involving Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili. And also you're involving you're mentioning about Alan Peter Cayetano, who was not related about those things, that he wants to have a hearing about the Senate hearing about the corruption and the flood control, that about Martin Romualdez and Bongbong Marcos, and even the other majority Senate such as Bam Aquino, J.B. Ercito, Kiko Pangilinan, Rizon Tiveros. Do you even just defend the allies of Marcos, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz? And even not just that, he labeled Alan Peter Cayetano chicken, little chicken in the movie. Mark Cruz, I say again, Alan Peter Cayetano is really a lawyer. Abogado yan, like I said. Hindi mo kasi naiintindihan. Like, you're posting in threads, you're posting anywhere. Mark Cruz, if I say to you, Wawel Romero is right, you have to stop posting about nonsense. And even you challenge me in a stupid race, and you're showing about the diecast cars. It's just a toy car, Mark Cruz. Why are you debating about those toy cars which are diecast, and you forcing me to debate in a race? For me, Mark Cruz, I say again, I would not debate in a race again about the arcade of Initial D. It's just Initial D arcade, Mark Cruz. It's just unavailable in the time zone. There are lots of tokens and lots of arcade games. As you can see, I was in Trinoma in the part of the year before pandemic. I saw there's lots of arcade racing, time zone. You remember Tom's World in SM North, Quezon City? They have lots of arcade, Initial D arcade. Hi, Mark Cruz. Whatever. All your stories anyway are naturally lies. Absolutely. In the matter of fact, I told to my mom, to Teacher May Tiburcio, that Mark Cruz anyway is threatening me to drown me in the drop-off. You see, Mark Domingo Cruz, Teacher May Tiburcio criticize you. You are a former friend of Ronald Rebena. You're acting like that. Who started that blaming anyway? Who hacked the Facebook account of Ronald Rebena? Who is starting this blame? It was you, Mark Cruz. Do not blame Wawel Romero. Do not blame anyone. You're the one who started this. You're the one who started in 2019. What is it? I apologize already. Alexandra is busy in class. Mark Cruz, do not do that to me. You're the one who making me a scapegoat. That you're saying you're blaming me, and now I blame Wawel. Who started to make a scapegoat? I say again, Mark Cruz. It was you. You started it. You started the fight at Juan Carlo Pabale. You started the fight at Ryan Chris Lucero. Oh, Ryan Chris Lucero and Juan Carlo Pabale have told me that Mark Domingo Cruz is always keeps bullying me. He keeps bullying Juan Carlo Pabale. You are a true bully, Mark Cruz. You are really worse than Paulo Cruzada. Oh, do you remember Paulo Cruzada, Mark Domingo Cruz? He was reprimanded by his parents for attacking Teacher May. Paulo Cruzada was been reprimanded for what he has done to Joseph Maspinas. Oh, because his uncle had reported to his mother that Paulo Cruzada is also a special child and he pretend himself like an ISIS. Oh, he was reprimanded by his parents. So do you want to be reprimand your parents, Mark Cruz? Have you never realized that you are making a lots of mistake? You have not making a stupidity how you did. You are the one who's a bully. Since 2019. Oh, in 2020, you're the one who hacked David Gill's Facebook account to manipulate Cedric Mariano. Oh, now you see, Kuya Dan Mardayaw is very angry at you, Mark Cruz. Oh, and you're the one who started it, Mark Domingo Cruz. Even not just that, I'm telling anyone, oh, if you're watching this, Ronald Rebena, Roylan Marlang, or Carlos Kanakashi, and even Christian Mengito, that guy, Mark Cruz, he has no credibility. He is really a bully. Oh, don't you even know that Mark Cruz is saying about F word? He calls me motherfucker word. He calls me an asshole. Oh, who is the real asshole? Oh, it was you, Mark Cruz. You are a bully. And then not just that. I just want to make my own blog. Oh, you're the one who ruined David Gill. That was his family members. Oh, who created the Dragon Inclusion Philippines? Oh, it wasn't Dan Mardayaw. It wasn't Cedric Mariano. Oh, it was you, Mark Domingo Cruz. You're the one who created Dragon Inclusion Philippines to ruin the reputation of David Gill. And another one who created the fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. It wasn't Dan Mardayaw. Oh, it wasn't Cedric Mariano. It was you, Mark Cruz. You're the one who started the chaos. And don't call me Makarov. Don't label me as Makarov. Huh? That's why you're influenced to naming all the characters in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. You're the one who started this, Mark Cruz. You're the one who started the chaos in 2019. To implicate me, to implicate Wawel. And you're telling Rapasoko or what I did to David Gill. You're the one who did it to David Gill, Mark Cruz. You're the one who did it to anyone. Juan Carlo Pabale, Ryan Chris Lucero, Wawel Romero, even me. You're the one who started this, Mark Cruz. Even your allies, Larry Chuanico and Paulo Cruzada. You're the one who started this, Mark Cruz. Oh. Who's the fault anyway? Oh. It was you, Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Cruz. And I say again, Christian Mengito, don't listen to Mark Cruz lies. He doesn't drive a car. He doesn't have driver's license. I was told by J. Rick Silva, he's making up stories. He's making a role play. All his stories are lies. While Mika Lim, he doesn't know Christian Mengito. For example, who started this chaos? In 2019, Mark Domingo Cruz. Who started the chaos in 2024? Paulo Cruzada, who attacked Joseph Maspinas. I say again to both of you, Mark Domingo Cruz and Paulo Cruzada, admit it yourself that both of you are wrong. Both of you who started this chaos. Do not blame anyone, even Wawel, even me, even who else? Ryan Chris Lucero, Juan Carlo Pabale, and even my former friend David Gill. I was asked by Mr. Dennis Gill, the Dragon Inclusion Philippines, it wasn't Danmar Dayao. Mark Domingo Cruz is responsible for hacking Facebook account of David Gill to ruin Cedric. That's the reason. Blame Mark Domingo Cruz. He's the one who started the chaos. And this is why Danmar Dayao had criticized Mark Cruz. Mark Cruz, I say again, sinumbong ko na kay Danmar Dayao ang pinagpo-post mo sa threads, like kung ano-anong pinopost. You posting about Alan Peter Cayetano, you're posting about Rene Bartebonia, Divine Adili, and you're posting about the labeling as a pug. You tag a pug as Rodante Marcoleta. Danmar Dayao is getting angry at you. Magagalit yan si Danmar. Dinamay mo kasi ang political. Dinamay mo ang senador. Dinamay mo kasi ang mga basketballista, like what you're talking about. Mark Cruz, I'm telling you, would you just stop blaming anyone? You're the one who started this, Mark Cruz. At least Teacher May, all the witness there, she saw it in threads, in Instagram, while Rafael Tiburcio had read it. Mark Domingo Cruz is mentioning about Rene Bartebonia. The Ateneo, Blue Eagles, they're angry at Mark Cruz. If they get angry, they will angry at Mark Domingo Cruz. Not even just that. Rowena Guanzon and the diehard Duterte supporters, they will bash Mark Cruz for mentioning Rodante Marcoleta and Alan Peter Cayetano. Who is the fault anyway? It was you, Mark Cruz. Do not blame anyone. And don't even call me I'm a bully. I never abuse anyone. I never abuse Teacher May, Tiburcio. I never abuse Ate Dina Guillermo. I never abuse who else? The other teachers there in CDIFI, including Teacher Ruti Barrientos or Teacher Jessa Fernandez. I never abused them. You're the one who started the abuse. You're abusing anyone, even Nguyem Pongkan. You call her as cattle cow. How would you say she is cattle cow, Mark Cruz? You are telling stupidity and lies. You are a cattle cow, Mark Cruz. How very disrespectful are you, Mark Cruz, huh? Do you know I talked with the Vietnamese, the one of campaign manager of not not campaign manager, I mean one of the manager of the beauty pageant, sorry. Oh. Okay, let's continue. For Marcos anyway, do not spread the lie over at Christian Mingito. If I were you, Mark Domingo Cruz, you should blame yourself. That is your fault.